Hello friends, today we are going to discuss some MCQs on biodiversity and conservation. So if you want to try this yourself, then please mute the video. So let's start. Now the first question is, given pie diagram represents the proportionate number of species of major groups of invertebrates. Identify the groups A and B. Then what will be the correct answer? The answer would be option A, because we know that in the animal kingdom the largest phylum is the arthropod. Here it is represented as insects, and the second is the mollusk. So the answer is option A. Now the second question is, dodo, passenger pigeon and Steller sea cow became extinct in the past or last 500 years due to A. Habitat destruction, B. Overexploitation, C. Bird flu virus infection, and D. Pollution. Then the answer should be option B, because excessive exploitation of a species, whether a plant or animal, reduces size of its population so that it becomes vulnerable to extinction. Dodo, passenger pigeon and Steller sea cow have become extinct in the last 500 years due to overexploitation by humans. Next question. Which of the following is a reason for the greater biological diversity of tropical regions? A. Tropical latitudes have remained almost undisturbed for millions of years. B. Tropical environments are less seasonal, relatively more constant and predictable. C. More solar energy is available in the tropics, resulting in high productivity. D. All of these. And here the answer is option D, all of these. Higher diversity in tropical areas is because number one, speciation is a function of time. Temperate areas have undergone frequent glaciation in the past. It killed most of the species. No such disturbance occurred in tropics, where species continue to flourish and evolve undisturbed for millions of years. Number two, there are no unfavorable seasons in tropics. Continued favorable environment has helped tropical organisms to gain more niche specialization and increased diversity. 3. More solar energy is available in tropics. This promotes higher productivity and increased biodiversity. Number 4. Resource availability is higher in tropics. 5. There is reduced competition in tropics due to favorable environment. And 6. Rate of extinction is low in tropics. Therefore, the answer is all of these. Next, match column 1 and 2 and select the correct option from the quotes given below. A. Lungs of the planet, B. Reserpine, C. Anti-cancer drug, D. Exotic species. And on the column 2, Lantana camara, Amazon rainforest, yew tree and Rauwolfina. Then what will be the answer? Here the answer will be option A. Next, there are 4 major causes of accelerated rates of species extinction, which are collectively called as the evil quartet. Which one of the following is not included in the evil quartet? Option A, overexploitation, B, pollution, C, co-extinction, D, alien species invasions. And the answer is option B. The world is facing accelerated rates of species extinction, largely due to human interference. There are 4 major causes collectively called as the evil quartet. It includes 1. Habitat loss and fragmentation, 2. Overexploitation, 3. Alien species invasions, and 4. Extinctions. Next, an exotic species that is introduced to a new area spreads rapidly and eliminates native species is called The answer will be option B, invasive species. Lantana, Acornia and African catfish are exotic species. Non-native or exotic species are often introduced inadvertently for their economic and other uses. They often become invasive and drive away the local species. These species are considered to be second major cause of extinction of species. Exotic species have proved harmful to both aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems. Next, given pie diagram represents the proportionate number of species of major taxa of vertebrates. Identify the groups A and B. A reptiles, B birds, A fish, B birds, A birds, B fish, A birds, B reptiles. So what will be the answer? The answer will be option B. Among vertebrates, fishes account for the maximum share with approximately 26959 species. Birds have 9700 identified species and reptiles have 7150 species. Next question. Identify the groups of organisms marked A and B in the given pie diagram representing the proportionate number of species of major taxa of plants. Then what will be the answer? The answer will be option C, A fungi and B angiosperms. There are 270,000 means 2,70,000 species of higher plants and 72,000 species of fungi in the world. Next, which of the following fish led to the extinction of an ecological unique assemblage of more than 200 species? A. Katla katla, B. Dogfish, C. Nile perch, D. African catfish. And the answer is option C, Nile perch, a predator fish, was introduced in Lake Victoria of East Africa. It killed and eliminated ecologically unique assemblage of over 200 native species of small cichlid fish. Next, biodiversity loss occurs due to 1. Habitat loss, fragmentation, co-extinction, overexploitation, alien species invasion. Then the answer should be option D. We have discussed this earlier. Next, the impacts of loss of biodiversity include A. Decline in plant production, B. Lower resistance to environmental perturbations, C. Increased variability in ecosystem process like plant productivity, water use, pest and disease cycles, and D. all of these. And the option is the correct option is option D, all of these. Next, which of the following statements describe natural extinction? 1. Extinction abated by human activities. 2. Slow replacement of existing species. 3. Also known as background extinction. 4. A small population is most likely to be extinct. Then what should be the correct answer? And the correct answer is option C, 2, 3, 4. Natural or background extinction is a slow process of replacement of existing species with the better adapted species due to alternate evolution, changes in environmental conditions, predators and diseases. A small population is more likely to become extinct sooner than the larger population due to inbreeding depression that reduces genetic variability and normal population fluctuations during unfavorable periods like drought, harsh winter or severe summer. Next, which option correctly describes the equation for curves A and B in the given graph of species area relationship? And here the correct option is option A. The relationship between species richness and area in rectangular hyperbola for a wide variety of taxa, whether they are birds, bats, freshwater fishes or flowering plants, and the equation can be given as S equal Ca to the power z. On a logarithmic scale, it is a straight line described by the equation log S equal log C plus z log A, where S is species richness, z is slope of the line or regression coefficient, C is y-intercept, while A is area. Next, the diversity of organisms sharing the same habitat or community is termed as A. Alpha diversity, B. Beta diversity, C. Gamma diversity, and D. Delta diversity. And the correct answer is option A. Alpha diversity. Ecological diversity is of three types: alpha, beta, and gamma biodiversity. In alpha diversity, within community diversity is species diversity in a given community or habitat. It is dependent upon species richness and evenness. Next, beta diversity, between community diversity. Alpha is the within community diversity, beta is the between community diversity. Is biodiversity in a range of communities due to replacement of species with the change in community or habitat because of presence of different microhabitats, niches, etc. And number 3, gamma diversity is a diversity of habitats or ecosystems over a total landscape or geographical area. Next, species diversity dash as one moves from high to low altitudes. And the answer is option A, increases. Biodiversity changes with the change in altitude. It increases as one moves from higher to lower altitudes. Decrease in temperature and greater seasonal variability are the two major factors responsible for lower diversity at higher altitudes. Next, what is the total number of species present on Earth as estimated by Robert May? The answer should be option C. Robert May estimated that about 7 million species are present on Earth. Next, the term evil quartet is related with 4 major causes. So what will be the answer? We have discussed it earlier. Here the answer is option D, means biodiversity losses. Next, India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity centers or mega diversity centers of the world and is being divided into dash biogeographical regions A8, B10, C16, D18. And what should be the correct answer? The answer is option B. India is one of the 12 mega diversity regions of the world with 8.1% of genetic resources of the world. Wildlife Institute of India has divided the country into 10 biogeographical regions. 1. Trans-Himalayas, 2. Himalayas, 3. Desert, 4. Semi-arid, 5. Western Ghats, 6. Deccan Peninsula, 7. Gangetic Plain, 8. Northeast, 9. Coasts, and 10 islands. Next, antelope cervicapra, that is black buck, is A. vulnerable, B. endangered, C. critically endangered, D. extinct in the wild. The correct answer is option A. Vulnerable population depleted species are those which are presently insufficient but are undergoing depletion due to some factors or factors so that they are facing risk of extinction in medium term future. Next, introduction of alien species into new area poses a threat to extinction of indigenous species due to A. their high nutrient requirement, B. their symbiotic relationship, C. absence of their natural predators, D. more intraspecific competition. And the correct answer is option C, absence of their natural predators. Next, introduction of Nile perch in Lake Victoria, South Africa resulted in A. excessive growth of water weeds, B. elimination of water weeds, C. elimination of many species of cichlid fish, D. excessive growth of cichlid fish. And here the correct answer is option C, elimination of many species of cichlid fish. Next, genetic variation affect the production of the drug reserpine in the medical plant Rauwolfenia vomitoria growing in different Himalayan regions or ranges. What kind of diversity does it indicate? A. species diversity, B. genetic diversity, C. ecological diversity, D. none of these. What should be the correct answer? Answer should be option B, genetic diversity. Genetic diversity is the diversity in the numbers and types of genes as well as chromosomes present in different species and the variations in the genes and their alleles in the same species. Genetic variation in Rauwolfia vomitoria indicates genetic diversity. Another example is of presence of more than 50,000 genetically different strains of rice and 1,000 varieties of mangoes in India. Next, Western Ghats have a greater number of amphibian species than the Eastern Ghats. What kind of diversity does it represent? A, species diversity, B, genetic diversity, C, ecological diversity, D, none of this. And the answer is option A, species diversity. Species diversity is the variety in the number and richness of the species of a region. Western Ghats have greater amphibian species diversity as compared to Eastern Ghats. The number of species per unit area is called species richness. Number of individuals of different species represent species evenness or species equitability. Next, match the column 1 and 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. In the column A, beta diversity, rich biodiversity, gamma diversity, extinct species, endangered species. On the right hand side, it is there tropical area, dodo, between community diversity, great Indian bustard, diversity of whole geographical region. Then the correct matching option, the correct answer is option B. Next, Red Data Book deals with A, organism on the verge of extinction, B, endemic plants, C, organism showing photoperiodism, D, organisms that are extinct. And the answer is option A, organisms on the verge of extinction. IUCN is International Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, which is now called World Conservation Union, WCU. It has its headquarters at Mods, Switzerland. It maintains a red data book or red list, which is catalog of taxa facing risks of extinction. Next, keystone species deserve protection because these A, are capable of surviving in harsh environmental conditions, B, indicate presence of certain minerals in soil, C, have become rare due to overexploitation, D, play an important role in supporting other species. And the correct answer is option D. Keystone species are those species which have significant and disproportionately large influence on the community structure and characteristics. It has often considerably low abundance and biomass as compared to dominant species. Removal of such species causes serious disruption in structure and function of community. Next, in India, we find mangoes with different flavors, colors, fiber content, sugar content, and even shelf life. The large variation is on account of a species diversity, B, induced mutations, C, genetic diversity, D, hybridization. And the correct answer is C, genetic diversity. Next, the reasons behind conserving biodiversity have been grouped into which of the following categories? A, narrowly utilitarian, B, broadly utilitarian, C, ethical, D, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. We should conserve biodiversity. The reasons for this can be broadly divided into three categories. 1. Narrowly utilitarian. Humans derive a major part of their requirement from organisms. Number 2. Broadly utilitarian. Biodiversity is fundamental to ecosystem services of nature. And 3. Ethical. Every living species has an intrinsic value. It is our moral duty not to destroy them. Next, broadly utilitarian argument for the conservation of biodiversity does not include A. Bioprospecting, B. Pollination, C. Aesthetic value, D. Climate regulation. And the correct answer is option A. Bioprospecting or exploring molecular, genetic and species level diversity for gathering the product of economic importance comes under narrowly utilitarian category. Next, dash is the exploration of molecular, genetic and species diversity for gaining the products of economic importance. A. Exploitation, B. Bioprospecting, C. Co-extinction, D. Patenting. And the correct answer is option B. Bioprospecting. Next, select the option that correctly identifies 1, 2, 3 and 4. Biodiversity conservation. From biodiversity conservation there are two branches, in situ and ex situ. From in situ there are three branches, sacred groups and lakes, 1, 2. From ex situ there are three branches, number 3, 4 and botanical, zoological gardens, arboreta, aquaria, etc. Then here what should be the correct answer? And here the correct answer is option A. 1 biosphere reserve, 2 national park and wildlife sanctuaries also. And number 3 is the sacred plants, home gardens, and number 4 is the gene banks, cryopreservation. In a national park, protection is provided to option A. Flora and fauna, B. Entire ecosystem, C. Fauna only, D. Flora only. And the correct answer is option B. Entire ecosystem. National park is reserved area used for conservation purposes. It is maintained by government. Cultivation, grazing, forestry and habitat manipulation are not allowed. Protection is provided to the entire ecosystem. Next, presently, total number of biodiversity hotspots in the world is option A 25, B 34, C 37, D 40. The answer is option B 34. But it is not the actual answer. Currently it is 36. In 1999, when Norman Mairs published the book Hotspots, Earth's Biological Richest and Most Endangered Terrestrial Ecoregions, 25 biodiversity hotspots were identified. But today, in its latest update, US-based Conservation International has listed 36 biodiversity hotspots. The 35th is Eastern Australia and the 36th is coastal plains of North America. Next, presently India has dash biosphere reserves, dash national parks and dash wildlife sanctuaries. And the answer was given option C, but it was not the correct answer. At present, the total number of biosphere reserve is 18. There are total 103 or 103 national parks and total 543 wildlife sanctuaries are there in India. So please cautious to opt the correct answer during examination. Next, India releases a history of religious and cultural traditions which emphasized the protection of nature. In many cultures, tracts of forests were set aside. All the trees and wildlife within were venerated and given total protection. Such areas are referred to as A. Hotspots, B. Ethical groups, C. Sacred groups and D. Protected areas. And the correct answer is option C. Sacred groups. Sacred forests or sacred groups are forest patches around places of worship which are held in high esteem by tribal communities. They are the most undisturbed forest patches, island of pristine forests, which are often surrounded by highly degraded landscapes. They are found in several parts of India like Karnataka, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, etc. Many endemic species which are rare or have become extinct elsewhere can be seen to flourish here. Next, which of these organisms are protected by people of Bishnoi community of Rajasthan? A. Prosopis cinerea, B. Blackbug, C. Bhojpatra, D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is option D. Bishnois of Rajasthan protect Prosopis cinerea and blackbug religiously. Next, select the correct option regarding sacred forest or groups. A. These are forest patches which are held in high esteem by tribal communities. B. Rare endemic species can be flourishing in these areas. C. These are found in several parts of India. And D. All of these. And the correct answer is option D. All of these. Next, Dash National Park was the first national park of India. A. Jim Corbett, B. Nanda Devi, C. Kaziranga, D. Jaldapara. And the correct answer is option A. Jim Corbett. It is the oldest national park in India and was established in 1936 as Hailey National Park to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. It is located in the Nainital district and Pauri Garhwal district of Uttarakhand and was named after Jim Corbett, a well-known hunter and naturalist. Next, which of the following is not an objective of conservation of biodiversity? A. Conservation of biodiversity, B. Sustainable use of biodiversity, C. Fair and equitable sharing of benefits arising out of genetic resources, D. Selective hunting of dangerous and threatening species. And the correct option is option D. The various commitments of Convention on Biological Diversity (CBD) at Rio de Janeiro 1992, Brazil were 1. Adoption of ways and means of conserve biodiversity, 2. Managing biodiversity for sustainable use, 3. Ensuring equitable sharing of benefits from biological diversity including utilization of genetic resources. Next, which of these is not included in the biodiversity hotspots of India? A. Western Ghat, B. Himalayas, C. Hindu-Burma, and D. North Indian Plains. The correct answer is option D. Next, first Earth Summit for Convention on Biological Diversity (CBD) was held at, we know the answer, the correct answer is option B, Rio de Janeiro 1992 in Brazil. Next, cryopreservation is the preservation of germplasm at very low temperature of around A. minus 121 degrees Celsius, B. minus 196 degrees Celsius, C. 0 degrees Celsius, D. minus 101 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer is option B, minus 196 degrees Celsius. Cryopreservation is preservation at minus 196 degrees Celsius liquid nitrogen. It can maintain tissue culture, embryos, animal cells or tissues, spermatozoa indefinitely. The cryopreserved material is revived through special technique when required. Next, which of the given statements is true? National parks are meant for protection of fauna only. B. Wildlife sanctuaries are meant for protection of both flora and fauna. Next, activities like collection of forest products, harvesting of timber, private ownership of land, etc. are allowed in national park. And D. None of these. And the correct answer is option D, none of these. National parks are meant for protection of entire ecosystem, both flora and fauna. Wildlife sanctuaries are ecosystem tracts of land where wild animals, fauna can take refuge without being hunted. Activities such as collection of forest products, harvesting of timber, private ownership of land, etc. are not allowed in national parks. Next, Biodiversity Act of India was passed by the Parliament in the year 1992, 1996, 2000 and D 2002. The correct answer is option D. The Biodiversity Act provides support for conservation of biological diversity, sustainable use of its components, and equitable sharing of the benefits arising out of use of biological resources. The Biological Act of India was passed in 2002. This Act of Parliament received the assent of President of India on the 5th February 2003. Next. One of the XC2 conservation methods for endangered species is A. Wildlife sanctuaries, B. Biosphere reserve, C. Cryopreservation, D. National park. And the correct answer is option C. Cryopreservation. Next. Biosphere reserve differ from national parks and wildlife sanctuaries because in the former, A. Human beings are not allowed to enter, B. People are integral part of the system, C. Plants are paid greater attention than the animals, and D. Living organisms are brought from all over the world and preserved for posterity. And the correct answer is option B. People are an integral part of the system. Biosphere reserves are multi-purpose protected areas which are meant for preserving genetic diversity and representative ecosystems of various natural biomes and unique biological communities by protecting wild populations, traditional lifestyle of tribals and domesticated plant or animal genetic resources. It has a core zone, that is where the no human activities are there, a buffer zone, that is the limited human activity is there, and a transition zone, participation of local people for activities like settlements, cropping, recreation, forestry, etc. are there. Next, select the incorrectly matched pair. And here the correct answer is option B. CITES, CITES. The full form of CITES is Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. Next, ecological hotspots present in India are. The answer was given 3, but here the correct answer should be option D, 4. There are 4 ecological hotspots in India, and they are the Himalayas, the Western Ghat, the Indo-Marwa region, and the Sundaland. Sundaland includes Nicobar group of islands. Next, in India, cold desert occurs in Mount Abu, Gujarat, Rann of Kutch, Ladakh and Spiti, and the correct answer is option D, Ladakh and Spiti. Next, first biosphere reserve was established in 1986 at A. Nilgiri, B. Nanda Devi, C. Rann of Kutch, D. Sundarbans. And the correct answer is option A, Nilgiri. Next, Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve is found in A. Uttaranchal, B. Assam, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is option A. And the last question, symbol of WWF is option A, tiger, B. rhododendron, C. white bear, D. giant panda. And we all know the correct answer, that is option D, giant panda. So these are some MCQs from the chapter of biodiversity and conservation, but these are not enough. You have to practice more and more. And these are the answers of previous 15 questions of biotechnology and its application, which were given in my previous video. So if you are interested, then see my previous video. The last 15 questions answer is given here. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.